y'all, how y'all doing today? I hope y'all are doing good. So I have this wig I'm going to style and install for you all here on camera. This is a wig I was sent from AliPearl hair. I have their HD lace wig. It's a 26-inch. I have a medium size cap. The density of the wig is 200% density. So yes, they do advertise this as their HD lace. I can't say that it's like true HD lace where it frays because I had no fraying. But it does resemble real Swiss lace where it's really soft. The lace is really soft and really thin. So I do like that. But when it comes to it being true HD, I didn't experience the fraying that true HD gives you. If I didn't mention it, this is their deep wave texture. But yeah, I'm just showing y'all how I do my baby hairs. I've showed y'all this before. I'm using a lot of body with a mix of Eco Salad Gel in the green tub. I use a mix of that to just help mold and shape my baby hairs. And of course I'm showing y'all how I cut the lace away. I just push my baby hairs back and nip away at that lace. I don't cut it straight across, but I just nip it to give it more of a jagged edge. Hey y'all. Okay, so I did bleach my knots. The wig does come with 3 combs and an an adjustable band. Of course, I did use the bedhead hardhead spray to apply my wig on today. And since this was, I'm not sure if this is like a transparent lace. I know they do consider it their HD lace, but I'm not sure if the shade is like transparent. So I did add some of my foundation underneath the lace just to help it blend further. That way when I put it on top, it will like blend super well. So I do have some foundation underneath. If you're looking for information on my hair dryer, this is a hair dryer that I am in the process of releasing as a part of my hair tool line. So stay tuned for that. I will definitely let you guys know more information about that at a future time. But just in case, because I know y'all was probably going to kill me in the comments about it. So I'm letting y'all know right now.
se encontrar, a gente sai pra falar besteira e de repente a gente pode se gostar. Once upon a time, I was all alone. How you like me now? Do I turn you on? Now I got you drunk from the ball. Show me what you want, give me what you want. I'ma make you mine.
All right, y'all know the drill. We're gonna go ahead and comb out these baby hairs so they're not stuck to our forehead, so we can get them all nice and fluffy looking. And of course, we're going to take our foundation powder. This is a shade that's closer to my contour shade. We're going to take that and put it on top, help that lace blend even more. Okay, we need it to blend. We need it to be as unclockable as possible. Y'all already know. So I definitely wanted to rock this in like a flip over type style, just all tossed to the side, you know. So I'm just taking me some Sebastian Shaper hairspray. It's a holding spray. It's a great hold, but it's lightweight, so it still lets your hair move. I'm just taking it to help my hair stay kind of tossed over to that side a little bit, and I'm using my blow dryer to dry it and set it in place. And I'm taking my coconut oil. It's like a shining spray. You taking that to add some shine to my hair so we can look nice and hydrated, not dry. And yeah, that's pretty much all I did. Oh, I did take my hot comb and just to raise that side a little bit so it can stay in place too. But yeah, y'all, this is all I did. Not too hard, not too hard at all. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope it helped you all in some way. Definitely like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know how you guys enjoyed this video. AliPearl, thank you so much for sending me out this wig. I appreciate it. If you all are interested in this wig or in the company, please be sure to check the description box so you can check out all the links and get all the information you need. And again, thank y'all so much. I love y'all so much. I'm gonna talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.